What's up, guys? I got a new mod for you guys today. I went to Target about half an hour ago, and I bought a new recon. Hell yeah. This barrel extension mod was I did this today too, but this is an older recon barrel. The one that came with this is outside drying, so yeah. It is one of those retardedly overpowered ones. And yet it's still extremely quiet. So, let me see. Ah, crap. Oh, a dart. Yay. Yeah. So, this is my new primary long range or medium range sniper rifle because it's very quiet. And, yeah, check this out. Here to the door. 35 feet. That was a bad dart, but still. Hang on, let me go grab a new one. Good dart. So yeah, that's pretty much my recon. So yeah, see you guys.